In this video, we're going to teach you how to get unknown Homer in You versus Homer. So as you can see right here, You versus Homer is a Roblox game published by Roblox user named Dear SSX. This game uses elements from The Simpsons, such as Homer, which in this case, Bars are survivors and Homers are the killers. So survivors play a part and it's your goal to survive. So if you want to get the unknown Homer on this card, you can see right here that they have different skins. On the Homer skins, you can find right here all of the available ones. You can see them all together. So for those skins, realistically, to get them, you can head over and then try to purchase them. And there's also dev only skins available, such as the Polly and Kickcraft. On some cases, if an unknown Homer skin is on dev only, you won't be able to access it. But if it's unavailable or limited option, you can proceed to buy it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.